We all depend on our reliable kitchen essentials, but a unique gadget can make cooking even more enjoyable. In this video, we'll show you 17 useful kitchen gadgets on Amazon. This multifunctional organizer is designed to keep all your cleaning essentials in one convenient place. With dedicated partitions for brushes, sponges, and scrub pads, plus a hanging rod for dish rags, this caddy ensures everything has its place. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to an orderly sink area. Featuring a removable plastic drip tray, this caddy prevents water droplets from staining your countertop. It collects excess water from wet brushes, scrubbers, rags, and sponges, keeping your surfaces clean and dry. This large, versatile holder features 3 spacious compartments designed to accommodate all your cookware and utensils. From knives and spatulas to tongs and egg beaters, this holder has room for it all. It's also great for storing ladles, skimmers, peelers, corkscrews, silverware, forks, and chopsticks. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to a tidy, organized kitchen. Crafted with a farmhouse aesthetic, this utensil holder combines rust-proof steel construction with a charming wooden base. Its matte black finish adds a touch of elegance that complements any kitchen decor, from modern to rustic. Say goodbye to struggling with knives and hello to safer, easier food prep. This tool features a curved stainless steel chopper designed to hug the core of cauliflower, allowing you to pop off florets with ease and minimal force. It's the safer alternative to using a knife, giving you more control and reducing the risk of accidents in the kitchen. With its ergonomic handle, the Stalk chop is gentle on your wrists, making it ideal for speedy chopping. It's especially beneficial for those with arthritis or hand fatigue, allowing everyone to enjoy homemade, healthy meals without the struggle. This versatile storage shelf expands from 9.8 to 15.6 inches, allowing you to customize your space to perfection. Maximize your vertical storage with these adjustable shelves, perfect for standard wax paper rolls, garbage bags, plastic food wrap, and aluminum foil. It's the ideal addition to your pantry or cabinet organization system. Assembly is a breeze, no tools required. This organizer snaps together in just 1 minute. Crafted from BPA-free materials, it's both durable and easy to clean, keeping all your kitchen wrap essentials neatly stored in one convenient place. This professional-grade oval strainer combines practicality with premium design, offering a versatile solution for all your kitchen needs. Featuring a fine mesh basket, this colander excels at filtering, straining, drying, and draining. Its expandable design stretches from 14 to 19 inches, fitting perfectly over most sinks and adapting to your space. Crafted from durable stainless steel with exquisite rubber grips, this colander is built to last. The rust-proof, firm fine mesh and sturdy frame with feet ensure efficient draining and stability during use. This pan is designed to make your morning routine faster, easier, and more efficient. Featuring a multi-sectional design with 4 separate cooking areas, this pan is ideal for preparing omelets, bacon, burgers, pancakes, and more. Cook multiple items simultaneously, saving you precious time and energy during busy mornings. Compatibility is no issue with this pan. It's suitable for all types of hobs, working seamlessly with both gas stoves and induction cookers. Whatever your kitchen setup, this pan has you covered. Introducing the MIKULA Mixing Bowls Set, your all-in-one kitchen solution for cooking, baking, and food preparation. This versatile set offers high value without breaking the bank. The comprehensive set includes 5 stainless steel mixing bowls with lids, ranging from 2.5 to 7 quarts. You'll also find a 400 milliliter clear measuring cup, 4 stainless steel measuring cups and spoons, a basting brush, spreader spatula, and egg whisk. It's a complete kitchen toolkit in one package. Crafted from premium gauge stainless steel, these mixing bowls are built to last. Unlike other thin bowls on the market, our lids won't warp or deform. This ricer features sturdy, well-crafted components that stand up to frequent use. The strong, ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, making squeezing effortless and efficient. One of its standout features is the set of removable, interchangeable discs. These not only offer versatility in your food preparation, but also make cleaning a breeze. The attention to detail in the machining process is evident, smooth and precise, allowing for seamless operation. Each part fits together perfectly, from the smooth closing mechanism to the comfortable sliding of the ring insert. This user-friendly ice mold makes creating perfect ice spheres a breeze. Simply pour in your liquid, close the lid, and you're done. No fiddly filling or slow pouring required. Removing ice is just as effortless. A quick twist of the tray releases perfectly formed ice balls, eliminating the need to push out individual cubes. The tray's thoughtful design includes thicker edges for comfortable twisting and a clever conical bump that ensures flawlessly rounded ice spheres every time. Crafted from premium food-grade materials, this ice tray outperforms silicone alternatives in durability and safety. This 14-piece cookware collection includes everything you need to cook like a pro, from frying pans to stock pots, plus essential utensils. Featuring a 9H diamond-level enhanced coating, these pans offer exceptional durability and non-stick performance. The set is 100% healthy and toxin-free, ensuring safe cooking without harmful chemicals. Experience advanced cooking with far-infrared ray technology, which enhances food quality and freshness. The thick aluminum base provides rapid, even heat distribution for consistent results every time. This organizer features a dual-spin Lazy Susan design, keeping up to 40 spices and condiments at your fingertips with a simple spin. Its unique D-shaped construction fits flush against cabinet walls, maximizing space efficiency. The adjustable height levels accommodate both small and large containers, allowing you to customize your storage to fit your needs perfectly. Versatility is key with the spice spinner. Use it in your kitchen cabinets, pantry, or even the fridge. It's also great for organizing bathroom essentials or craft supplies. With dimensions of 10.75 inches deep and 13 inches wide, it fits most standard cabinets and cupboards. This tool combines efficiency with safety, bringing a touch of natural beauty to your kitchen. Crafted with 1810 stainless steel blades and BPA-free food-grade materials, this grater ensures peace of mind while preparing your meals. Its refreshing green color adds a natural accent to your kitchen decor. Experience shredding up to 12 times faster than traditional graters. With 5 replaceable blades, this multi-purpose tool effortlessly handles a variety of ingredients, from cheese and potatoes to zucchini, carrots, cucumbers, and even chocolate. Whether you need slices, shreds, or wavy cuts, this grater delivers with just a few turns of the handle. This appliance brings convenience and efficiency to your kitchen, whether at home, in an apartment, RV, office, or even outdoors. Designed to accommodate all types of cookware, this hot plate features 2 7.1-inch burners. It efficiently heats pots and pans made of various materials, including glass and aluminum, with minimal heat loss. Perfect for everyday use or as an extra cooking surface in a busy kitchen, this hot plate eliminates the need for a traditional stovetop. From warming sauces and grilling steaks to boiling water, making soup, and cooking pasta, the possibilities are endless. This sleek appliance combines premium materials with smart design to elevate your daily brewing experience. Crafted with 304 food-grade stainless steel for both the inner pot and exterior housing, this kettle ensures purity and durability. The BPA-free construction and removable nylon filter make it safe for your family and easy to clean. Boil water in record time with the powerful 1500-watt heating element. This kettle can heat up to 1.7 liters of water in just 5 to 7 minutes, quicker and safer than a microwave. Start your day right with instant coffee or tea at the push of a button. This liner combines functionality with durability to keep your belongings secure and your surfaces pristine. Featuring a unique double-sided, non-adhesive design, this liner provides a strong grip that keeps items in place without damaging your surfaces. It's perfect for kitchen cabinets, bathroom drawers, and all types of shelves. Water and oil-resistant properties make this liner a champion against stains and spills. It's easy to wipe clean, ensuring your shelves and cabinets stay dry and spotless. Say goodbye to sticky messes and hello to effortless maintenance. These liners are designed to make your air frying experience more convenient and enjoyable. Each pack contains pre-cut 8-inch square liners, precisely tailored to fit 5 to 8 quart air fryers. No more measuring or cutting, simply place and cook. These liners effectively keep your air fryer free from food residue, grease, and grime, extending its lifespan. Crafted from premium food-grade materials, these liners are waterproof, oil-proof, non-stick, and heat-resistant up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit. They preserve the taste and shape of your food without any interference, ensuring delicious results every time. Crafted from durable new bone china, these bowls are resistant to breakage and can withstand high temperatures in ovens and microwaves, ideal for reheating leftovers or cooking pasta from scratch. Each bowl boasts a generous 30-ounce capacity with a wide, shallow design, perfect for serving pasta, salads, soups, and more. The set of 6 stackable bowls caters to single diners, couples, or larger gatherings and family dinners. Cleanup is a breeze with these dishwasher-safe bowls. Their smooth surface resists stains and odors, maintaining their pristine appearance meal after meal.